Hi folks, so as you all know, we have a concept in Bloom called the Bloom Inspirations. Bloom Inspirations is a concept wherein we make you understand about how the Bloom products can be used in different ways to make the daily usage of the furniture ease and comforting. To give you an example, here we have a dresser unit. I'll start with the shoe rack over here that we have. So this shoe rack has the 155 opening onyx black hinges that we provide. So herein we have the Tandem Box Antaro, which is a box system that we provide. It's been used here for the shoe rack, which sort of makes it easy for the everyday access of the shoes and the footwear that you need. It's been also paired up with the Movento Runner over here, which as you can see, we've put up boots over here. Makes it quite easy for you to pull out the whole thing and access the boots and everything inside. Coming over here, we again have the box system for the everyday storage of your makeup or anything else that you want to keep inside, which makes the dressing quite comfortable. It's been paired over here with the mirror, which has the clip-top hinges behind it with the tip-on unit. Here at the top, we have the HK Top lift-up, wherein again it provides you more storage with regards to anything that you might want to store. Last but not the least, we have the Space Step here, which is a box system in Tandem Box Antaro, but it also acts as a stepper, wherein if I want to close this, I'll just reach out here and close the top lift up with ease, and I'll be done for the day.